Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on your Shopify account. So once you're inside Shopify, simply go ahead and click your My Store on the upper right hand side and click on your account details, which is your email address and your name. Then from here, you want to scroll down under the general section and you'll find preferred language. Just keep in mind, guys, that this is only for the Shopify portal right here as you're seeing. So this will not affect the Shopify store. This is not how you change the language on the Shopify store, but only for this Shopify, let's say, admin portal right here. So that's it. The only this section will be only the portal here or this dashboard here will be changed. But to change it, just simply click on the language, find a language of your choice, select that, and once you're done, you'll be able to save that. So if I choose, for example, Deutsch, you can see it give me the option in the upper right to save, and that's going to basically change it and update everything into that language for me. And that's all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.